Hey guys, for this video, we're gonna check out the Mach frame Fighting Korea version 3. Let's go!
Alright, so let's open this up and let's first talk about the cowl. Now this is made from ABS material and color, it's a metallic black. Okay. Next, let's talk about the chassis. This is made from ABS material and it's color red and also comes with the tail or the rear portion of it. Okay. And then next, let's talk about the rims. This is a carbon fiber reinforced dish. Okay, and it's color black. And let's see the side, it's all narrow and it's perfect for speed. Okay, now let's talk about the tires. This is a low friction, medium size, low profile with, well, it's color maroon and it has the letterings. As you can see, it says Fighting Korea Edition Mach frame. Okay, and then next for the internals or the A parts, it's made from ABS material and it's color black. So it comes with the battery cover, motor catch, skid bar, and comes with the 30mm rollers. Okay, and this pack includes a 351 gear ratio. Also comes with the battery terminal, grease, propeller shaft, wheel shaft, screws, nuts, and everything. And it also comes with a torque tune 2 motor. Let's zoom it in. So it's a Mach frame Fighting Korea Edition version 3 sticker. Okay, and it comes with the manual, of course, and last but not the least, the decals to make your car look awesome.
Now that's it for our video. I hope you learned something from it. And these are all available at any brickyard stores. And as always, have fun, keep on racing. See ya!